So this is a standard pitch for the REI Flash Air 2 with the vestibule here, like that. But I've always wondered if there was a way to open up that vestibule if you want the full ventilation version. So had a few minutes here to play around with it. And this thing has all these extra guy out tabs for extra windy conditions. And I'm not going to swear to it, but I'm pretty sure I got so much camping gear. I'm pretty sure this Flash came with an extra set of guy lines and stakes for windy conditions. So right now I've just got the normal stake out at the corners and each end. So I thought I've looked at this a few times when I've had it up, trying to figure out a way to open that vestibule, because there's a loop right here and it's got a clasp on the inside so that you could roll this vestibule up and secure it like this side. So I played around with it this morning and I figured it out. Maybe all you guys, gals out there might have figured this out already, but if not, here's a step through. So take one of these guy lines. So it's this top one right here that has the little fittings on it. These other ones don't have fittings on them. So take one of these. It came with two of them. So take one of these that has the fitting. Now this is the only critical part here I found out. I went through the loop, then around this hub pole, this gap right here, through that gap, back out and through the little webbing there, and captured it with this little end thing that's on the end of the guy line. Then you bring this out here to the stake that's holding this vestibule. Okay, so we're going to take this one off. I'm going to adjust this one close to the right length first so the tent doesn't fall down. Take this one off, put this one on, and then snug this one up. Snug this one up so it's nice and tight. All right. So now we've transferred the load from the vestibule guy line to this new one that we just put on. And at first I tried just going through this loop without going around the hub pole, and the hub pole and this would all just slide down here and the tent would just collapse. But by going through the hub pole gap there, that keeps that from happening. It can't happen now. Can't slide. It's all secure. Now all we need to do is roll up that vestibule. And there you have it. The full ventilation version of the REI Flash Air 2 pitch. It's all guyed out. Seems just as strong and sturdy as pitching it with the vestibule flap. This is going to help me out because I like a lot of ventilation. I like all the windows open on my duplex. So I think I'm going to leave that guy line attached, or maybe permanently attach it, so I have the option without having to fiddle with it when I get to camp. Anyway, there you go.